2009 BMW 116i. It's the 2-litre version, but it is the 116i, which is the cheapest to insure. This one is a category N from the insurance company, which is non-structural. It's actually had a bump around the front here. Doesn't actually look much, but what they've done is they've just dented the front of it there, which is really annoying. So that's going to need the paint because it's quite strong there, because it's double skinned. But if we pop the bonnet, you'll see there's actually no other damage on the front top end, that is. Headlights are good, all the tabs are there. A bit grubby inside, we need a little quick flash over, but and this one's not rust either as well. Well, that is there, but no, it's not. That's part of the moulding. Yeah, the same there as well. So nothing broke there. At the bottom is all good, apart from here, which is broken the trim. This is really cheap. It's about 7 or 8 quid, but it's made a bit of a mark there, which is that'll need a repair there as well. And I dare say that's broken. Yeah, that's broken as well, and it's got a crack there, so it's something's rubbed it down this side here. So that will need a fix, as well as the bonnet. Down the side is all good, nice and clean and straight, apart from a dent there, which is unrelated. It's not too big. I guess we can get that out with a paintless dent removal guy. Top is all good. Back is all good. There's a few scuffs and marks around it there. Most of them I'll polish out. And that corner there, it's got the little marks. Now we'll probably polish out that one. And this side is all good. And it's got some nice extras inside. It's a sport, so it's got the better seats, but it's also full leather as well, and that's the Dakota leather, so it's nice and strong. Slight bit of wear there, but nearly nothing. This one's got 73,000 miles, and it's also got iDrive with sat-nav, which is a massive extra. It's got electric windows front and rear. Let's put the seat back a bit. It's got steering wheel controls, air conditioning. I think it's the business edition one as well, and it's got start stop, which is good as well. There's your iDrive, 6-speed, and it's got a Parrot Bluetooth kit as well. I haven't actually done the research on how much this one is going to be, but it will be fixed and back on the road, so it's going to have a fix there and also here as well. But it's and for non-structural, but as you can see, it's very little damage on it. We'll be back on the road pretty much the same as before, but a little bit of paint done to it, which will be done properly.